Hey! Hello there, this is Rich from housebrands.com. Our family renovates houses, and today we're going to show you how to install a solar-powered security light. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing because we want to show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a ton of money. This security light was already installed a couple of months ago by my son James, and it attaches here to this solar panel. And this solar panel has been positioned to catch a lot of direct sunlight on the back of our pole barn here. So here it is in its box, and it is made by a company called UtiliTech. And why we really like it is because, first off, it's solar powered, so after your initial investment, it's not really costing you anything extra. It's motion activated. It works as a security measure, but also if we come here late at night, it's nice to be able to just walk up to the barn and a light comes on, and then we're able to easily get in the barn. All right, let's see what's in the package. We've got a mounting plate, and this is the actual solar panel itself. Package of hardware, some screws, and then here's the light. On the bottom of the light, there's some controls. The switch is all the way to the left, which means it's on the off position. But what we can do is move it over one to the right, and there's a test button. So let's do that. See? And it came on. So there it's off. That's the test. So you can do that, test it, just to make sure it's working before you install it. On the bottom there, that says 1 minute, and the other one says 3 minutes. And so basically, if it's over here to the 1 minute position, the security light will now be on for 1 minute after it's triggered, and then it'll go off. And then you can put it on to 3 minutes, and the light will be on for 3 minutes after it's triggered, and then it'll go back off. So this mounting plate or mounting base is really nice because the base has arrows, and that just slides on there like that, and that'll be mounted onto the wall. The screws that they gave with the light and the head here, it's very shallow, so it wasn't working with the drill. So anyway, we had to resort to using this little screwdriver. So your other option would be just get 4 screws that are at your house that are better than the ones that they gave with the light. On the back, I put it on the 3 minute setting there, and we're just going to mount this, and it just slides right on there, and it kind of clicks into place, so it's on correctly. This has a swivel. You can go right to left, and you can go up and down. All right, this is the actual motion sensor here. So right now it's pointing out that way, so we're going to angle it down this way to catch any kind of motion of anybody that's coming by this door. Okay, so there I've just made 4 marks where I want to put the solar panel. We're just going to use the screws, but they also give you these green things, and you want to install it into a brick wall. You would use those. You would drill a hole and pound those in, and then you put the screw into those. All right, so now we're just installing these screws. The solar panel is now attached to the post, and we'll just adjust that to where we think is a good position to catch the most sun. And then we are going to plug this into the light fixture, and we should be in business. There we go, and we have a connection. So one other thing about this light is that there's a battery backup, and so if you take this off of here, right here is a compartment that holds the batteries, and so it's not going to be on all that long, just when people are going in and out at night, so it's not going to use that much power. But anyway, it's kind of a nice feature. It's got a battery backup in case they're like it is around here, no sun for a while. All right, the goats are super excited because the security light is right by where they live. And what do you think, Jojo? Are you excited? Yeah, she looks excited. All right, guys, let's go see if it works, okay? Hey, what do you know? Our security light did come on, and those goats are all illuminated. Hooray. What do you think, guys? You like having a security light? All right, there it is. I guess we could wait till it gets a little darker and then we'll see how bright it is. All right, so it's a bit darker now. So we'll see how close we can get before that light comes on. There we go. So we're about 10 feet away from it. All right, well, that's just how easy it is to install a motion-activated, solar-powered security light. If you got anything out of the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out our channel and we appreciate it. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because we have a ton of home improvement videos on the way. Thank you very much for viewing, and we'll see you in this video. All right, that's a wrap.